Ladies and gentlemen, Trevian Kutti is back in the news. She is back in the news with all her legal challenges. You would think this person would lay low, but common sense is just not common. Mm-mm. So, she actually recently did an interview with Tommy Sotomayor. And she was talking and she said something really controversial. And ever since, she's been hit with a lot of backlash. So she argued that Art Kelly's public condemnation was significantly influenced by the shift in perception among Black women, driven by broader societal pressures. She further stated that Black women adopting independent mindsets and lifestyles pose a detriment to Black culture. Cuddy remarks sparked outrage and intense discussion about the role of gender and race in the public response of the allegations of misconduct. Aside from her views, Cuddy's involvement in the scheme, to help overturn the 2020 presidential election results in Georgia, has placed her in the legal spotlight, charged with racketeering, conspiracy to commit solicitation of false statements and writings, and influencing witnesses. Cuddy's legal challenges are compounded by her political ambitions. She openly expressed her desire to redeem Black women image by aspiring to become the press secretary for Donald Trump should he win the 2024 presidential election. This woman that has been charged with a crime think she is going to be an example for Black women? Ooh, talk about delusional here. So, and be a press secretary? Yeah, Donald Trump ain't hardly appointing this woman as no press secretary. This ambition, however, is marred by her current legal predicament and controversial nature of her public statements. The implications of Cuddy's legal troubles and her divisive comments extend beyond her personal and professional life. They reflect ongoing tensions within the Black community regarding gender relations and the responsibilities of public figures and the complex of interplay between race, politics, and criminal justice. Cuddy, her situation serves as a focal point for broader discussion on these critical issues. Well, when you got all the legal problems this woman have, I mean, what kind of example is she for the Black community? You know, you put yourself all out there for somebody like Donald Trump, and Donald Trump ain't going to foot no legal bills with all the money he got to pay. He barely can afford his own. And she went around and put herself out there harassing these poll workers and everything. And for what? At the end of the day, you're not going to get no help from that very same person that you put yourself out there for, Donald Trump. Is she for real? She ain't no good example for anything. So, the public's attention remains fixed on the outcome and the potential ramifications for all involved, Donald Trump's situation. The controversy surrounding Cuddy's statement adds another layer of complexity to the already multifaceted legal and social saga, underscoring the need for a nuanced understanding of the dynamics at play. Well, like I said, I don't see how she's such an example for the Black community in the situation that she's in. If you're going to put yourself out there and get in trouble legally, at least do it for a good cause. trying to commit election fraud. That's not a good cause, okay? That's not a good cause to put yourself out there. And if you all remember, she was at one time the publicist for Kanye West and R. Kelly, and boy, she should have just stuck with being a publicist. So now she got all of this controversy surrounding her, and she has not even gone to trial yet. It's going to be a trip when she does. But y'all, regardless to what she think and what she says, I think she needs to focus on what's going on legally with her, because she can easily go to jail for what she did. And instead of focusing on what black community and what women should do and the women role, maybe if you would have practiced what you preached, you wouldn't be in the legal trouble that you're in. Nah, what I mean? So, y'all, please tell me what you think about this video. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.